I'm mining and earning with my CryptoTab browser while surfing the net. It is free, it is true paying and legit, so please stay to the end of the video to see. CryptoTab browser is really amazing. And hi for all of you friends. Today I will talk about CryptoTab browser. It is very fast browser, like Google Chrome. Platform is almost the same, and we are earning Bitcoin here while surfing the web. Everything is free. I will put my link in the pinned comment of this video, so when you click this link you will get this page and just click on download. You have the version for your mobile phone or for Windows. And when you install this browser, you will go on this page, clicking on this button. Take a look. This page is mining page, and if we click off, mining is shut down, or we can manually set the speed for mining here. Smaller speed, smaller CPU usage, and when we click on max, of course maximum CPU usage, but we will mine faster and better. I'm mining with my Ryzen 9 3900X, so my speed is in about 20,000 hashes per second, but we are recording now, so speed is a little slower. And my suggestion for all of you, for processor it can be hard task, so do not use this CryptoTab to mine if you have slower or older processor. My suggestion for you is minimum, so minimum is Ryzen 1600X or equivalent Intel i5. So that's the minimum for you to get some earnings here if you do not have referrals. If you have referrals, you can mine even with slower processor and you can earn, but mining power depends on your processor, and of course if you have referrals you will earn more. But if you have really old processor, slow, do not mine with processor, you can damage the processor. So try minimum should be Intel i3 or Ryzen 3, so do not put mining to max if you have slower and older processor. Then that you will not earn. You can also damage your processor if you do not know how to cool it, how to set it up. And of course if you do not have referrals with your old processor, your earnings will be smaller than electricity bill, so that's the fact. So only if you have good processor, or if you can find referrals, send your referral link to your friends, and when they register you will earn more. So try to get referrals or mine here with your processor. Of course if you have Ryzen 1600X or better, or Intel i5 equivalent or better, then you can earn here, or try to get referrals and then your earnings will be better. Everything is free. CryptoTab is true paying. I tested it many times. I successfully received money to my Bitcoin wallet, so everything is true paying and legit. CryptoTab is working for a long time. So my big suggestion for all of you friends, you can earn here, try it. Link for download will be in the pinned comment of this video, so I wish you good luck with earnings. And of course if you like this video, please give me one like button, subscribe to my LP Crypto and Games channel, and see you very soon in another video. Bye my friends, and I wish you all the best.